Which food dehydrator is actually good for making jerky? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Kasori 7-Tray Dehydrator. First up is the Kasori Food Dehydrator, a standout with its larger-than-average 6.5 ft2 drying space. Priced at $159.99, what caught my eye was its powerful 600W motor that promises faster drying times. If you want to make jerky without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. You can set the temperature from 95 degrees F to 165 degrees F and even time it for up to 48 hours. This is critical because jerky needs to be dried correctly to ensure safety and flavor. Plus, it's got noise levels below 48 dB, making it perfect for overnight use. Now, some users mentioned it can be a bit bulky on the countertop. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about making jerky or dehydrating large batches, this size actually works in your favor. If you don't mind a little extra kitchen space for top-notch jerky, this is a great option for you. This is perfect for you if you regularly make jerky or want to dry larger batches. Skip this one if you have limited countertop space or only plan to make small amounts occasionally. Considering its features, I think it's worth the investment. Now, if the size of the Kasori bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Kasori 5-Tray Dehydrator. Next up is another Kasori model, this one designed specifically for jerky enthusiasts at a lower price of $119.99. It features 5 stainless steel trays and has a maximum temperature of 176 degrees F, which is perfect for safely making jerky. If you want a reliable dehydrator without breaking the bank, this deserves your attention. What I really like about this model is the 4 preset options, jerky, fruit, vegetables, and yogurt, that make it super user-friendly. The rear fan ensures hot air circulates evenly so you won't end up with overcooked or undercooked spots. Plus, it's compact at just 13.9 x 11.3 x 8.9, making it easy to store when not in use. However, it doesn't have a dishwasher-safe feature, which some users found frustrating. But honestly, if you're willing to wash by hand for a quality machine that makes delicious jerky, that's a small price to pay. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, compact dehydrator for occasional jerky making. Skip this one if you need something larger or require dishwasher-safe trays. For the features it offers, it's a solid choice. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those of you who value versatility. Product number 3, Kasori Compact Dehydrator. Third on the list is the Kasori Compact Food Dehydrator, priced at just $49.99. This one really caught my attention because it's a fantastic entry-level option for anyone wanting to dip their toes into jerky making. If you want something affordable yet effective, this is definitely worth a look. It offers a maximum temperature of 165 degrees F, which is great for safety, and it has 5 BPA-free trays, allowing for a decent amount of food to dry at once. The adjustable height is a nice touch for thicker cuts if you're making jerky. Plus, it runs quietly under 47 dB, which is a big plus if you want to use it overnight. Now, some users did mention that it can take a bit longer to dry than larger models. Here's the deal: if you're not in a hurry and looking for a smaller, budget-friendly option, this won't be a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you're new to dehydrating and want something affordable. Skip this one if you plan on making larger batches of jerky regularly. For what you get, it's a fantastic bargain. Next, if you're looking for something with more capacity, the following product has got you covered. Product number 4, Cirker 12-Tray Dehydrator. Next up is the Cirker Food Dehydrator, which is a powerhouse with its 12 stainless steel trays and a price tag of $148.95. What impressed me was its 800W drying capacity, allowing you to dry a significant amount of food at once. If you want efficiency and large batch capability, this one is worth checking out. This model features advanced air circulation technology that ensures even drying, and it can reach temperatures from 70 degrees F to 190 degrees F, which opens up a lot of options for different foods, not just jerky. The 3-year warranty is also a nice reassurance for such a hefty investment. However, some users noted it can be a bit noisy at times, especially at maximum settings. But honestly, if you're using this for larger batches and want that efficiency, a bit of noise might not matter. This is perfect for you if you regularly dry large quantities of food or want a versatile machine for various types of dehydrating. Skip this one if you need something compact or if noise is a deal breaker for you. Considering its capacity and features, the value is hard to beat. Now, if you're looking for a premium option, wait until you see the next one. Product number 5, Magic Mill Premium Dehydrator. Finally, we have the Magic Mill Premium Food Dehydrator, which is on the higher end at $179.99. What stands out here is its impressive 15 extra-large trays, perfect for serious dehydrators. If you want maximum capacity and efficiency, this is a fantastic choice. The 48-hour digital timer adds a level of convenience that many users appreciate. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. However, it's a bit larger than other models, which some users found cumbersome. Here's the thing though, if you're making jerky frequently and need that capacity, the extra size is totally justified. This is perfect for you if you're dedicated to dehydrating large amounts of food and need a reliable machine. Skip this one if countertop space is a concern or if you prefer smaller batches. For the quality and features, it's a worthwhile investment. To wrap it up, we've explored some fantastic options for food dehydrators, from the compact Kasori models to the powerhouse Magic Mill. Each has something unique to offer, so consider your needs carefully. So there you have it. The Kasori 7-tray dehydrator is great for larger batches, while the 5-tray model is budget-friendly. The compact model is an excellent entry-level choice. The Circer offers high capacity, and the Magic Mill is for serious enthusiasts. Choose what fits your jerky-making journey best.